Welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to cover signing up for a Holistic for Life welcome membership. That basically gives you a free membership to sign up for one of our directories and get access to exclusive content. The directories cover holistic businesses, schools, and healthy living food places. So to get started, we're going to click on memberships from the front page. We're going to fill out all the information, set up a username. We're going to click on the business membership. Welcome to Holistic for Life. And if you look down here, you can see that there's 3 links here. Each of them go to a different directory. You actually could view them if you wanted to preview which one they are from here. So I'm going to right click on this. I can hit open up a new window, and it'll take you over to the directory. But for our sake, we're just going to click on here, and we're going to click register. Now I've already created this account, but what this would do is basically bring you back over to the front page so you can log in after you click this, after it was approved. So from here, when you click on login, you put in your credentials. That's going to bring you over to your profile page. Now you really don't do anything here, but this gives you the option to edit any of your information as far as like your contact details, name, email address. You can build a profile in here if you want to, list your website if you wanted to. But honestly, it's really for just managing your own login information. So we can get out of here by clicking on this Holistic for Life or visit site. So great. Now that you're a member and logged in every time you get here, you can then view exclusive content. At this time, we don't have too much set up right now, but we're going to be adding a lot of exclusive content soon that are going to be only open to members. So from here, you can select one of the business directory or one of the directories. So we're going to select business directory. And from here, as you can see, it still holds my name over here. So I'm still logged in. I could add a place underneath my profile. And then from here, you put your business in here. So we'll call this Holistic Yoga Studio. Put my phone number in. You put your website here. You put your Facebook account, Google Plus, Twitter account. You can set the times of your business from start to finish, and you can pretty much customize them even based on each day. So you can get this all set up and customized as you wish. So yeah, you can do individual days by clicking on Each one you can include different ones in here. But unclick this. Or you can do like the whole week if you want to set them all and set the days at the same time. So it gives you ways to customize that. You can select categories here. You can go back and you could add more here too. You can add photos in here. The first one's going to be your featured image. And you can add a short description of your business. So in here you'd want to list, everything about your business as far as like what your services are, give a good description of it. The idea here is to build a profile that is clear enough for people to come and find you and provide good background to what you're doing with your company. Really give them that like quick overview to really kind of let them capture what you're about. And obviously then they can go over to your website and find out more about you from there. But the idea here again is to really just kind of give them a good glance at your company in summary. So I'm going to click submit. So great, now your business is set up on here. And from here, you can go into customizing your site. And to do that, you just scroll down here. Now you can see this for owner here. You're going to click on here. And we're going to edit. And it looks like you can set it didn't hold a location for some reason, so we set that again. Obviously you can update all this information here. Okay, great. So now what we can do is go here, we can edit again. Now I'm going to change the header. So to edit the header, we're going to click on this upload area, and now we could select an image. Okay, great. And I don't have a video set up for this right now, but you could put a YouTube video in here. And if you have any problems with this, let me know. You can submit a ticket through our forum. But you basically would paste in your YouTube link here. And that would enable you to then have a video in your profile here, which is really nice up on your header. So people can come here and then click on that and then kind of see a nice profile of your business, like a little bit about what you're doing and kind of give your personality what you're all about there. And you can change which side of the screen you're going to have it on. So I'm going to hit submit. Oh, looks like that didn't take. So now you have a nice header up here. And if you had put your video in here, it would be over here and it'd be clickable. And now you can actually add more photos if you wanted to here. You can just basically upload them. Now I have the same photo, but you could essentially just keep uploading different photos of your business there and click submit. Also, customers can contact you, so make sure your email address is set up correctly, and they can click on contact owner. They can type a quick message, and then send it to you, and you'll receive in your email box. So that's about it. That covers setting up a profile, signing up for a Holistic for Life welcome membership. So thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.